Today we're starting to build on our in-ground trampoline. You can see right here, this trampoline is going in the ground with this bad dog. Yeah, Case 1840 Skidster. Not 100% sure I know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure this thing out together. But first we got it, our trampoline placed where we want it. We're gonna spray the perimeter, and then we get down, we'll start digging. Let's roll. Product. Put a little grass in front of it, a little carpet for the shoes. You can see I created a little slope so water on this hill doesn't roll down under it. And then we're gonna plant a bunch of drop seed everywhere. So we got a whole lot of dirt here, so I'm hoping the rain's gonna help us out this winter.